Hello, hello, it's Paige again, and today we're going to be drawing a beach. This is actually where I'm going to be going after this video, so I figured it was very appropriate, but this is some sunny place that you like to go have fun, splash around in the waves, build a sand castle, just relax, and that's what I'm about to do today. So I figured it's perfect if we draw it. So that's what we're doing today. All right. I love the beach, so this is going to be one of my favorite drawings. So we're going to start off with the bottom sand layer. It's just going to be a somewhat wavy layer at the bottom, just like that, all the way across your paper. And then for the palm tree on the side, we're going to do a line going all the way down, connecting at the bottom. So you're going to start up and go down to connect to the sand. And then for each leaf, you're going to do some zigzags. Zigzag down, and then do a point. And then you're going to go zigzag it up, and then connect it. So that's one leaf. And you're going to do the same thing over and over again. You're going to do a zigzag out, and a point, and a zigzag back, and then connect it. And then you're going to do it again, going up. And you can fill it in the middle. You can do a zigzag down and a point, zigzag back, and then fill it in with a zigzag again. So there's our palm tree. You should do kind of a line down the middle of each leaf so that it looks like a leaf of the palm tree. And then for the trunk, you're going to do a crisscross. So you're going to go X, X, all the way up the trunk. Do an X. Just like that. All the way up the trunk. So that looks like a palm tree. There we go. There we have our palm tree. And then the next thing we're going to draw is the umbrella. The umbrella is going to come out of the sand diagonally. So we're going to do two lines coming up just like this. Make them as straight as you can. And we're going to do a curve going over those lines just like that, like a little frowny face, a little rainbow. And you're going to do two more curves coming out from that and curving up. And then you're going to do a circle up top, almost in the corner here. And you're going to connect those lines to the circle. Connect the bottoms of your rainbow to the circle. All these points, connect them to the circle. There you have your umbrella. Cool. Then we're going to draw our beach ball at the bottom. Draw a ball under one of your waves in your sand. And you're going to do curves on the ball. Follow the curve. And you're going to do a straight line down the middle. And then you're going to follow this curve and go the other way. Just like that. And then you're going to do a bucket. You're going to do two lines coming out of the sand. You can make them straight up and down, but I make them coming out a little bit diagonally. You're going to do a smiley face and a frowny face so that it looks almost 3D. You're going to do a big rainbow for the handle, just like that. So there's your bucket. And for the scooper, for the shovel, you're going to do a square, but don't finish the square. Do like a boxy C. And you're going to come in a little bit So it's like a boxy C, and do a square in the middle of that boxy C. Do 2 lines coming out. 2 lines coming out. And you're going to do another square to finish it off. And there's your shovel. And then you're going to do another boxy C on the inside. So there you have it. There's your shovel. So now, you know when the waves splash on the sand and it gets a little bit darker? How there's kind of a brown left over on the sand? That's what we're going to do for this layer over here. We're going to add...
Like the wet sand.
Yeah, the wet sand. We're going to add a layer. Coming wavy right behind. Don't go over your umbrella. Go behind your umbrella. And so that's the wet sand. Okay. Now for the water. The water is straight across. Make it as straight as you can because it's a horizon. The horizon is what you see when you look out. And straight across, it's the ocean. You can't see the end. Then we're going to add some waves. It's a curve up and a curve down. It's like a stretched out S. And you're going to curve it down. Do your stretched out S and do your C. Your stretched out S and your C. And that's how you make your waves. Remember, don't go over your umbrella. Go around your umbrella. Go behind it. So there you have your waves. Then you're going to do your sailboat. You're going to do 2 lines coming out diagonally, like this. Coming out away from each other diagonally. And do a straight line on top. Do a line coming up out of it. And then a triangle for the sail. And then in the sky, you can do whatever you want. You can make it a sunset. You can do it during the day like I did. I added a sun. You can add some clouds. You can add some birds flying. You can do whatever you want. Yeah, so that's our sand. If you want, you can add some dots on the bottom down here to make it look a little more sandy. Or you can add like a surfer in the water. You can add a surfboard over here. You can do whatever you want. It's your beach, so it's up to you. You can add a pattern on the umbrella. You can do some stripes. Just like that. You can do some circles. Or some waves. Make your umbrella really cute. Make it really creative. Make it your own. I love a good beach day. I'm gonna go have one myself. So I hope you have a lot of fun drawing this one. I love the beach. I know that you probably do too, but have a good day and I'll see you next time. Bye.